Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone can actually play loud alarms. First, confirm iOS is current so volume bugs are unlikely. Next, use the side volume buttons or control center slider to raise ringer and alerts. This directly controls alarm loudness. Once done, turn off Do Not Disturb or Add Clock to focus exceptions so alarms bypass silencing. You want the system ready before changing sounds. This avoids chasing settings that won't affect alarms. Now you select and boost the actual sound. In Clock, edit the alarm and choose a bright, high-frequency built-in tone or a custom MP3 with strong transient peaks. These cut through ambient noise better. Once selected, set the volume to maximum and enable snooze if needed. If your tone still feels weak, trim silence and normalize audio in a simple editor before importing. This increases perceived loudness. Make sure vibration complements the tone, but does not replace audible volume. Finish by testing under real conditions. Set a trial alarm a minute away and put the phone where you sleep to judge loudness. If the alarm routes to a Bluetooth device, disconnect Bluetooth or enable play sound on device so it uses the phone speaker. Once done, verify bedtime/focus rules won't lower volume. If alarms remain soft, restart the iPhone, then as a last resort reset settings general transfer or reset to clear corrupted profiles. One key tip, check Bluetooth first, it's the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.